There are different tools in the ProcessBook application that will show you when there is a problem with some or all of your data. If the data is unavailable from a specific source, the trends will display nothing. There will be no traces for that data. The value displays no data as well as the trend cursor. Bar graphs will display diagonal lines, and multi-state symbols will display user-defined bad data colors. You can see that if something happens to the connection between your Pi server and the source. There's also something called the status report, and the status report is a little button in the lower right hand corner that is either a green circle or a red circle with an X in it. And if it's a red circle with an X in it, that means at least one of the elements on the displays is reporting bad data or shutdown. And if you double click on it, you can get the status report. I've got an example here of my main column display where I have forced a bad value into one of the tags. I've actually changed the tag reference to a tag that has a bad value, and you notice that the value is scan timeout. This is obviously some sort of issue with the interface, and you will notice in the lower corner that the error is showing up and is manifesting itself as the little red circle. If I double click on that, I can see all of the dynamic values on my screen, and I can see they're all green or good with the exception of my first line item here. So there's a number of different ways on the screen that you can tell if values are bad. If I simply remove this dynamic value from the screen and go to run mode, you should see that the diagram, the status of the screen, does go back to green.